Experiencing problems with iMessage on Spectrum Mobile? You're not alone. Many users, especially after iOS updates like 18.2, face issues with activation and SMS syncing. This is often due to Spectrum Mobile's network configuration as a T-Mobile prepaid service. Let's address common problems. First, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection for iMessage activation. The process verifies your phone number through Apple's servers. If activation gets stuck, double-check that your SIM card is correctly seated and that your phone is registered on the network using TOSTA06 to verify your IMEI. For SMS issues, it's crucial that your access point name APN settings are correct. For Spectrum, it should be set to fast.tmobile.com. Incorrect APN settings can disrupt data-based messaging. If problems persist, a simple restart or resetting your network settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings often resolves the issue. Data sync failures on Spectrum Mobile often occur when your device switches between Wi-Fi and cellular data, causing delays or duplicate messages. To mitigate this, ensure Send as SMS is enabled in your iMessage settings as a fallback. Also, verify that background app refresh is enabled for iMessage in your iOS settings. If you're in a rural area with weaker T-Mobile coverage, SMS forwarding failures may be higher. In such cases, manually setting APN to fast.tmobile.com and toggling airplane mode can help. Looking ahead, the trend is toward hybrid messaging apps and the eventual adoption of RCS, rich communication services, by carriers like Spectrum Mobile, which should reduce iMessage-specific issues. Experts predict that the expansion of 5G will minimize sync interruptions. For persistent issues, contact Spectrum Mobile support, as Apple support specialists indicate that most iMessage problems are carrier-side related.